So if you've got Home Assistant and a Google Hub, today I'm going to be showing you how to actually connect your devices from a Home Assistant to your Google Home. But this only works if you've got a Google Hub. If you don't have, just skip. Or you can just watch along in case maybe you buy a Google Hub. This is an absolutely free way to actually get your devices to communicate with Google so that you can say, hey Google, do this, you know. So first things first, we need to install this add-on. We need to install an add-on. So you come here on the settings, add-ons, then you add here on install. Then you need to come here where it says repository. That's when you add it. I've already added it, but you just need to paste this link here. So we come here, we take the code, we copy the code, then we add it here we just paste it here, click add, that's it. Then after you click add, you're gonna see these things, add on by Redix, as you can see them. Take this one. This one is the one that's what you call this, that works the most. If you wanna experiment, you can go with these ones for testing and whatnot, but this one is the one that I recommend. So we install it. So as it installs, we need to do something. Let's add a label. It's gonna come in handy when we're adding devices. So we have to go to settings, then where is it? Labels. Then add a label here. We want to add a label called meta. Then is there an icon that we can add? There's no meta icon. Maybe we can add a color here. Let's add it red so that we can literally see it. Create. It's gonna come handy when we're actually adding devices. Let's go back to add-ons. Since we're here, let's go back to add-on store. Let's check if it has installed. Okay, it has installed, as you can see here. So you need to add watchdog, auto update, add to sidebar. Then we need to start the add-on. So let's just wait for it to start add-on. So it added to sidebar right here. As you can see, it says MetaHub. When you click on it, retry, let's retry again. Okay, this is what we need. So we've gotten to this point. Let's create a new bridge here. As you can see, create new bridge. Then we're gonna name it maybe Home Assistant. Home Assistant Meta Bridge. Okay, country code, we can maybe leave that empty. On include here, this is where we wanna add the label that we created earlier. Then that label, what was the name of the label is meta, like this. Then I think we can save. Hopefully we've done everything correctly. So far, so good. So here, this is where we actually, now we need to add those devices that I was talking about. Let's say I wanna add this light, the light behind here, right? So this is how I'll add the light. Devices. This light is called PC light, right? So it's my PC light. So let me add it. So I'll come here on PC light, click on settings here, add a label, then I'll add meta, as you can see. So we update here, then we come back here, Meta Hub. We might find the light. We might find the light already here, as you can see, which means we've added our device to this virtual Meta Hub. Now the only thing that we need to do is to go to our Google Home application on the phone and try to scan this barcode and actually use this light, right? So I'm gonna borrow my girlfriend's phone to actually do this. Please, can I borrow your phone? All right, guys, we're gonna use this phone right here. So what you need to do, you need to go to our Google Home app. Google Home app. It might automatically find that hub. It might tell you it has already found the hub. But if it hasn't, okay, like this is what you need to see exactly. So you need to set up the hub, click next. While using the app. Okay, it's saying I should scan the QR code. Use pairing. Okay, I've scanned the QR code here. Then we agree on the terms. I'm ready. It's now connecting to this virtual Meta Hub. uncertified device setup anyway. Okay, now it's done. Now click done. We should be able to see the hub and the light on the actual thing. So here it's all devices. We scroll down, then it says in your home right here. As you can see now, I've got this PC light and the Meta device right here. This is the hub, so it's just there, but you can't really do. If you remove it, you are removing the light or anything that you might add in the future. So right now I can literally click on the light, turn off the light. This light should turn off. Turn on the light, that light turned on. But one cool thing about this is that you can also add your scripts. There was two different, you can add automations, but there's a downside with adding automations. Right now I'm just gonna show you what I use the most, because you add a script and it works perfectly for me. For instance, see, I've got a script to shut down my computer. We wanna tell Google to run that script. You come here on automations and scenes. Let's go to scripts. You see I've got a PC shutdown sequence right here, shutdown PC. So let's say I want to add it on the Google Home so that I can talk to the speakers to shut down this computer. So basically what I need to do is I come here, click these three dots, settings, then I add a label here, Meta, then I update, right? I also have PC sequence. This is actually turn on the PC. So let me add it again. This one, settings, add label, Meta, update. So these are actually hand coded, especially for this one, shutdown PC. It's actually hand coded. It's a script that's actually hand coded like this, as you can see. Let's go back to our Meta Hub. Then on the Meta Hub here, we should be able to see these three devices, as you can see. PC sequence, PC shutdown. And on the phone, as I was still recording, you should be able to see this device is actually auto-added on the phone. But this one, it's always the last one that does it, that is always offline. So what you can do, you can keep on adding, but the last one will be offline. But if you are done adding with everything, just come here, settings, add-ons, where is it? This, then you restart this. All right, then come here, retry, should be on. Okay, it's on now. Then let me refresh here. Okay, as you can see, it's now working. So I'm gonna shut down my PC and my sound is gonna be bad because I'm trying to demonstrate what's happening. My PC is gonna shut down. As you can see, I've added this. Just wanna show you how this really works. So this is what happens when you shut down the PC. If I click on what you call this shutdown PC, it's got this on and off thing. So let me click on. On is actually the one that shuts down the PC. As you can see, my PC right here is shutting down. After it shuts down, when I go back, it resets to actually, as you can see, PC off. So it changes its state to off. As you can see, the PC is off now. Let's turn on the PC sequence. The PC is turning on now. Simple as that. So basically what I was trying to explain is that when you add scripts on your virtual Meta Hub, they're going to show up on Google Home with an on and off button. Or if you switch it on, it's going to run the actual script. Then it resets back to the state of being off so that you can rerun it again. However, if you do that with an automation, if you add an automation, it won't go back to off. It will just remain on. And you need to manually switch it back to off so that you can rerun it. I hope that makes sense. But I just find it cool that you can literally add scripts and automations as part of your devices that you can trigger on Google Home without paying Nabucasa. By no means I'm saying don't pay for Nabucasa. Please do if you can afford. If you want to see a video of actually me using Tailscale to actually access Home Assistant remotely, watch this video right here.